Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how we can install Oracle Database Express Edition on Windows. For that, you need to search download Oracle XE for Windows. Right. Once you have searched it, you need to click on the first link that is from oracle.com. So this is the official link from where you can download the Oracle database. Here you will see multiple options because we are installing it for Windows operating system. So we will click on the first option that says for Windows. Once you click on that, download will start at the top. Okay, once download is completed, you can go to your downloads folder. In your downloads folder, you can see one zip will be there and you can right click on that zip and you can click on extract all. And you can click on extract to extract all the files which are available. Okay, once the extraction is completed, Windows will automatically open that folder, and in that folder you can see you have one setup.exe file. If you double click on this file, your installation will start. So let's go ahead and double click on this file setup.exe. Here the installation is started. Now you need to click on next here. You need to accept the license agreement and click on next. Here you can see at which location your database will be installed. You can see here it is getting installed in my C drive, right? So you can click on next here, or if you want to change the location, you can click on change and select the folder where you want to install it. For me, this folder is fine. So I will just cancel this and click on next. Here you need to give the password for your sys user, system user and PDB admin account. Right, so you can give a strong password here and you need to confirm the password again. Okay, once that is done, you can click on next. Here it will give you the summary destination folder. At this location the installation will be done. This will be your Oracle home location and this is your Oracle base. Right, after that you can click on install and installation will start. So let's click on it. Now my installation is started. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes depending on your system configuration. Once installation is done, you will click on finish and that's it. Now you have Oracle database installed in your system. Okay, so verify the installation. You can come to command line. Here you need to type sqlplus and within double quotes you need to send a / as sysdba and double quote again, and if you hit enter here you can see you are able to connect to Oracle database 21C Express Edition. So guys, this is how you can install Oracle database and connect to it using command line.